Sometimes you like your development settings, but you either don't need or don't want to create a development preset just to try some developments on a new image. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can simply copy your developments in order to paste them to a new image. In this image here, I have a series of developments, both general and masked. My masked adjustments increases saturation, while the white balance warms my image. Light EQ drops the shadows, and tone curves subtly increases the contrast in the shadows and highlights. Here's what my image looked like before these adjustments. As you can see, it's a bit drabber and clinical. When I'm editing, I can navigate to Edit from the top menu bar and copy my development settings. This will enable me to paste these settings to other images. I'll navigate back to Manage mode. When in Manage mode, I can also copy my settings by right-clicking on my image and navigating to Process Copy Settings. From that same menu, I can paste those settings. Let's right-click on a new image and paste my settings. This action will be logged by the Activity Manager and will run in the background. When the pasting is complete, a developed icon will appear on the bottom left. I can navigate to Develop mode to inspect the changes. Notice that this image now contains the same adjustments. I can also navigate to a new image using the film strip. Once on a new image, I can navigate to Edit and click Paste Settings. In each example, my settings are accurately adapted to my new image. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.